How to get your ex back after years. Rekindling a relationship after years apart isn't easy, but it's possible with the right approach. Whether you parted due to distance, misunderstandings, or life changes, reconnecting requires patience and self-awareness. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 ways to help you get back with your ex. 1. Know why you want them back. Are you seeking comfort, or do you truly believe you're meant to be together? Be honest with yourself before taking action. 2. Understand what went wrong. Look back at your past relationship. Recognizing what led to the breakup can help prevent the same mistakes. 3. Focus on personal growth. Become the best version of yourself. Confidence, emotional maturity, and self-improvement can make you more attractive to your ex. 4. Reach out casually. Start small, a friendly text or comment on social media. Avoid overwhelming them with deep emotions right away. 5. Rebuild trust. If trust was broken, show through consistent actions that you've changed. Trust takes time, so be patient. 6. Apologize if needed. If you were at fault, a sincere apology can go a long way. Acknowledge your mistakes without over-explaining or begging for forgiveness. 7. Find common ground. Talk about shared interests, mutual friends, or past memories. This can help reignite old feelings. 8. Give them space. Desperation pushes people away. Let them process their emotions without pressure. 9. Show, don't just tell. Rather than making promises, let your actions reflect your growth and maturity. 10. Accept their choice. Not every love story gets a second chance. If they're not interested, respect their decision and move forward. Reconnecting after years apart takes patience and effort. Focus on being your best self, approach them with care, and let things unfold naturally. If it's meant to be, it will be. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.